this piano lessons for guitar players. If I take a B flat major 13 with a sharp 11, look at all the different choices you have with this chord. So you have a B flat triad, you have a D minor triad, you have a F major triad, you have an A minor triad, and you have a C major triad. A E flat major 13 with a sharp 11. Now all of these notes are tonal, so there's no accidentals in this chord, but it still gives you a beautiful sound. So same thing with this chord. You have an E flat major triad, you have a G minor triad, you have a B major triad, a D minor triad, and an F major triad. So any one of those chords could work if, like I said, if your other bandmates are covering that full chord, you can just choose one of those simplified chords. So right here you have an F dominant 9 with a sharp 11. So you have an F major, A diminished, C minor, E flat augmented.